Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make deviled eggs without mustard. First, gather 6 to 8 large eggs. Place them in a single layer in a saucepan and cover with cold water by about 1 inch. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately remove the pan from the heat and cover it. Let the eggs sit for 10 to 12 minutes, then transfer them to an ice bath for at least 5 minutes to stop the cooking process and make them easier to peel. Once your eggs are cool, carefully peel them under cold running water to prevent sticking. Slice each egg in half lengthwise, from end to end. Gently scoop out the bright yellow yolks and place them into a small mixing bowl. Use a fork to mash the yolks until they are completely smooth, with no large lumps remaining. Now, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite mayonnaise to create a rich, creamy base for our filling. Now for the secret to our mustard-free deviled eggs. Instead of mustard, we'll add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar for a subtle tang that brightens the flavor. Season with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper. For a fresh, mild oniony note, stir in 1 tablespoon of finely minced fresh chives. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly until the filling is perfectly smooth and all flavors are beautifully blended. With your delicious filling ready, it's time to assemble. You can use a small spoon to carefully fill each egg white half with the yolk mixture, or for a more elegant presentation, pipe the filling using a pastry bag. Once filled, sprinkle a light dusting of paprika over each deviled egg for a pop of color and a hint of smoky flavor. For an extra touch, add a tiny sprig of fresh dill or a small piece of chive. Chill for at least 30 minutes before serving for the best taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.